everyone, it's Megan with the Crafty Planner Lover here. Welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new. In today's video, we are going to be planning for the week of December 9th through the 15th in my social media planner by Practical Paper Company using this kit from ReddHeadStickers for the week of my cruise. At the current time, ReddHeadStickers shop is closed, but if you are wanting to get this kit or get any kits from her shop, I will have her shop linked in case you are watching this video and she reopened her shop. But if you are interested in getting any of the kits that she has, she's got a lot of good ones, but like I said, right now it's just closed because she doesn't have, she's revamping things and getting things ready for the new year. But I love it. This is from last year or the year before. Don't remember. I have a lot of her kits. This is the Wonderful Time kit. I used it last year, but this is the mini kit. So this is the full boxes. You have some little other boxes down here. You have the days of the week and these bigger boxes, and then the washi and some other functional items. So I thought this would be good to use. I was going to use a like tropical themed kit for my cruise week because I am going to be on a cruise. At the time of me uploading this video, I will already be on the cruise ship, so I'm very excited about it. I cannot contain my excitement. It's going to be very fun. But I did not have a tropical theme. I actually only have, and I'm showing you this now because I haven't made the actual spread yet, but I'm going to be using this and this from this is from Sweet Tea Plans. This is their like blue deco, and then this is a tropical Christmas deco from Samuel & Planning. I'm going to be using that in my pre-planning planner, so you guys will see that if you follow me on Instagram. But that's the only tropical themed thing I have. So yeah, without further ado, let's go ahead and get started. Okay, so I decided I'm going to use this plaid washi. This is actually from Shine Sticker Studio. I'm on her PR team until the end of the year, so if you guys are wanting to get some stuff from Shine Sticker Studio, then you should. I have two different kinds of plaid washi from Shine Stickers, or not from Shine Sticker Studio, but just this one is, and then I have another kind of plaid colored washi, but this one I thought went better with the kit. And I know that the kit does come with some washi, but I'm going to use that in a different way, and you'll see that in a second. How many times can I say washi in one sentence? I don't know. So far, I think the count is like 6. So remember last week when I was telling you guys that it would be perfect for me to do a segway spread? I thought I had a tropical themed spread, and I didn't. So that's what my thought was, but if you know what I'm talking about, then you're a trooper. Alright, this is going to go here because we're going to do the PR post. And I'm actually going to be taking this spread with me on the cruise. Even though I'm not planning on posting a lot, I still want to be able to keep track of things. So I'm going to take this with me. So I want to have some fun cuteness to it. So what I was saying was down here is where I'm going to still be tracking my PR posts and things. So because these, okay, let's do these colors because we only have a few of these for the Cerulean art stuff. Actually, I can move this down just a little bit more. Just a smidge. Oh, that's Wednesday. There we go. That's what we want. Alrighty. Oh no, okay, we're good. But this is the one we need to, oh, Friday the 13th, that's upsetting. Let's do this color. I guess we'll just go in like color order, you know. Do you guys have any Christmas plans? Are you going to be doing anything? I have to work on Christmas, so I have no plans. This cruise is my Christmas present. That's all I'm going to be doing. And I'm actually okay with it. I'm not even upset that I have to work on Christmas because honestly at this point I've kind of just accepted that fact that I'm going to have to work on a Christmas. And I remember like when I was on my college program, I was so mad that I was going to be working on Christmas. And now I'm just like, you know, such is life. You can't really do anything about it, so might as well just deal with it and move on, you know? But we're probably still going to make something. I don't know what we're going to make. But I'm thinking like we're going to have our normal Christmas dinner. And we'll just like make it ahead of time. Because I don't remember what day Christmas is on. I think it's on like a Tuesday or something. So we'll have to make it before like work week starts. When I was growing up, we had like ham and mac and cheese. It was basically like a Thanksgiving dinner, but like different. So we would have like ham and mac and cheese and dressing, which we're definitely having dressing because that is one of my favorite things on the planet. My mom made the best dressing growing up and I love her dressing. So we're gonna have that. Okay, I had to steal this habit tracker from a different kit, but it's okay because I'm not gonna, that'll be a problem for whenever I have to use the kit. Anyways, so yeah, that's what we're doing. We're just gonna have, you know, a chill Christmas. Probably have the same things that we had growing up. I have to talk to my sister about it, see what she wants to do. But we shall see. Ooh, weekend. Okay, so this this cruise is going to be, we're going to be on the cruise pretty much Monday through Friday. And then my normal off day is Saturday. So my first day of work is going to be Sunday. So I'm just going to put this weekend sticker directly in the middle of the week. Because it's going to be a weekend for me. So let's do the boxes next. I think we're going to use these two, or these three, as layering pieces. We're going to hold this one off because I'm going to put that on this side. Look at this puppy! Ooh, okay, hold on. We're going to do collect moments, not things. And we're going to layer it with this bow. And I'm going to make this more decorative than my normal spreads because, like I said a couple times, I'm not going to be doing a lot of posting because I do 3 posts a day. I'm not going to be doing that. I'm going to do like maybe 1 if I can remember to, but I probably, I'm not even going to worry about it because this is going to be, this is my time away. This is my relaxation and like de-stress. So if I can post, I will. Obviously, I will be posting my 1 post for Sarah Lynn Art because I'm probably not going to post every single day though. You guys will find out. You'll be able to figure out what's happening. Ooh, okay, here is where we're going to put the puppy because he's a cutie. We're putting this puppy on this side. And then this we're going to layer right up here. Then we have 1 more, which we will add, but I want to add the filming and editing list. Well, actually, no, I still need a filming and editing list because I'm going to be coming home on Friday. I'm probably going to sleep on Friday, but I do think I still want to do a little bit of filming, maybe. We'll see. This is going to be one of those lists. I do have another set of this kind of sticker from my sticker book. Actually, I think what we're going to do instead is we're going to use this, but we're going to cut off the Monday through Sunday part because I don't need that. And this will be the filming and editing list. And in order to make this one the same, we're going to cut that off too, just so that they look symmetrical. So this is going to be to film. Oh no, I ripped it. Okay, let's try that again. This is gonna be to film, and this is gonna be to edit. I wanted it to be gradually getting, you know, lighter at the top. That was hilarious. Okay. And then we're gonna do the green here. And we'll do this one on this side. And we will add a few more boxes over here for just important information. And look, I even have the word important there, so look at that. Things work out. Okay. So we're gonna do like this and this and that. And I think we're gonna take this box, because I told you guys this was gonna be our layering one. I just ripped that. You guys hear that? That was embarrassing. Okay. There we go. Okay, and then the word important will go right here. And I really think that's it. I'm gonna add the rest of these boxes because why not? So here we will do a red box. We'll do a yellow one here. And then this green one here. Actually, we're gonna switch. If it'll let me remove this box without ripping. That one did. Put this one here. And this one there. And then we'll take these. And that'll use up this little section. And I don't want to use this red one, so we'll put it here. And then I'm going to grab this box and put it here, and we'll put this one here. And I think that is probably going to be good. What do you guys think about this spread? I think it looks pretty darn cute. It's going to be perfect for the holidays, and I like it. Alright everyone, that is it for this week. I hope you guys liked this video. If you did, don't forget to check out the description box below. I have various playlists related to my social media planner. So if you wanted to see how I've set up previous weeks or the months, or how I've used a different kind of social media layout, this is like my 4th layout that I've done. So if you wanted to see how I've done other layouts, I have all different kinds of videos. So check out the description box below. There will be links to Practical Paper Company's website. There will be links to ReddHeadStickers. If her shop is open when you are watching this video, the link will be able to work, or you can get an email notifying you when her shop reopens. Once again, thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you so much for hanging out with me. I really hope you enjoyed this video. I hope it inspired you, and I hope you guys have a wonderful holiday season. Thank you guys so much for watching, and until next time, craft on. Bye guys!